Leyden Energy is leading the way in lithium-ion technology with its patented lithium imide chemistry platform. Its extensive R&D efforts have resulted in a safer, more durable, and thermally resilient battery cell technology. Leyden's lithium imide pouches, 18650 cylindrical cells, and battery packs can be used in everything from smartphones and tablets to e-bikes and electric vehicles. Application designers love Leyden's lithium imide approach because it allows more freedom with battery placement, as lithium imide isn't prone to cell heat and balance issues that affect legacy lithium-ion. Lithium imide pouches will not balloon or bloat. Leyden Energy makes batteries that have a higher energy density, enabling longer run times. Leyden batteries last longer thanks to their superior calendar life and cycle life characteristics. And best of all, Leyden cells do all this even at temperatures as high as 60 degrees centigrade or 140 Fahrenheit. With lithium imide technology, consumers can power their lives more safely and efficiently. Leyden Energy, never compromise.